In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create perfect ad groups in Google Ads. If you're aiming to optimize your online advertising campaigns, effective ad groups are a critical component to focus on. By strategically organizing your ads, you'll connect more effectively with your target audience and make the most out of your advertising budget. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Google Ads website. This is your primary platform for managing your online ads, and it's packed with tools designed to help you get customers and boost sales. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign In button. It's located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to log into your Google Ads account. If you don't have an account yet, there are options available for you to set one up here. Once signed in, you'll find yourself at the Google Ads home. This is your dashboard where all of your existing campaigns and important metrics are laid out. It serves as your command center, allowing you to oversee and tweak your advertising strategies comprehensively. Next, locate and click on Campaigns. This will take you to a section where all your campaigns reside, organized neatly for you to review and refine. Here, you'll see the effectiveness of each campaign at a glance, making it easier to identify which areas require more attention or a different approach. From there, move over to the Ad Groups tab. Clicking on Ad Groups will lead you to the area where you can manage and create new groups. Ad groups are the means by which you organize your ads to target a specific audience effectively. Having well-defined ad groups means your ads show more relevant information to potential customers, increasing the chances of engaging the right audience. Now we're at the heart of the process. Click on Create Ad Group. Here you'll set the stage for a new group of ads with the freedom to tailor them according to campaign goals. While creating your ad group, think about the keywords and content that will best reach your audience. Be strategic. Aligning the theme of the ad group closely with your campaign objectives can lead to higher success rates. Finally, as you proceed with creation, ensure you're continually reviewing suggested keywords and settings. Google Ads provides recommendations based on patterns of successful ads, and these insights can be invaluable in achieving your advertising goals. By following these steps, you've set up a new ad group effectively. A well-structured ad group allows for better control over your ad delivery and can significantly enhance your campaign's performance. Keep refining and align your ads closely with what your audience is actively searching for. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you create more impactful Google Ads campaigns.